Morning, it's Rich from Motorcycle Garage here, just at last replacing the front stick coil for the Ducati 999. Basically, took a long time to come in a post, but managed to get a very fair price, put it that way. And there's the replacement there. There's the replacement. I checked it out size-wise and everything. Because it is an aftermarket. It is an aftermarket part. It is a plug and play. You get a bit of extra cable, but there we go. So I've just plugged it in there. I've run it once actually. I've checked it. Everything's running nicely, so it does beautifully. It works very nicely. The actual, well, I'll show you on this one. The actual insulation around this one, which keeps the water out going down into here, obviously it's worked mostly over the years, but it's just starting to break down a bit. So this is still working. It's just not brilliant condition. I thought for backup I'll try a new one anyway and see if the replacement part will work. As it were, it's not Ducati part, it's aftermarket part, and it works beautifully. So yeah, I've checked everything, electronics and everything seems to be good. So so I'm just putting this in now. So yeah, don't know. We can't do it with one hand, it's near impossible. Difficult enough for two hands to put it in here. So it goes in and yeah, goes in there. I think goes down there. It's just held by that one nut there. You can see that one nut there. So it slides down. Just held by that one nut there, which is that one there, which I will replace with a new lock nut. With a new lock nut, because this lock nut really has gone home now. Not really a lock nut anymore. So I just wanted to say you can get them, and in fact it's 1198 that they're pretty all the same. 1198 Ducati, they're the same stick coils. They seem to be more easy to get than the 999 direct copies, if you like. But basically, as this is just a coil with 12 volt going in here and a switch obviously to set the spark going at the right time, then you've got a coil in here setting off down to the spark plug, you know, whatever it is, volts, thousands of volts to make the spark. Fairly simplistic in a way. So yeah, the main thing is it fitted and checked all the measurements, distances, size, wise, everything, and it's all identical to the one that I'm just putting in now. So yeah, so there we go. I'll crack on. Just thought I'd let you know, so it might help someone looking at getting or having to get new stick coils. Okay.